Hey, this is Nikhil from Microelectronics, and in today's video we will make IoT based smart plant monitoring system. So let me just quickly show you that how you can make this project. So to make this project you need a 9-volt battery, a ESP8266 development board, bit blocks, power block, moisture sensor, 9-volt battery connector, and some jumper wires. Guys, this IoT project will detect moisture in the plant and will send notification to the Blink app over the internet accordingly. Guys, there is no need to worry about the connections. Here is the circuit diagram for this project. Guys, you can make different innovative project using BitBlocks kit. And I think it will be the right way to learn robotics with them, especially for kids. Now we will add water pump to the circuit. For that you need in and out blocks, DC pump, some jumper wires. So guys, firstly we will connect power block to the in and out blocks, and then we will connect moisture sensor with it. As I told you before that there is no need to worry about the circuit. I have already provided you a circuit diagram. So just connect all sensors or blocks according to the circuit diagram. Guys, I connected the soil sensor with a small pot for the testing purpose. Then I add a water pump with it. So when I turn on the button, the water will directly flow into the pot. So guys, now we will add a project in Blink IoT app. So click on new project, type your project name. For example, I am typing smart watering. Select your hardware as the Node MCU. Then create this project. A authorized token will send to your registered email ID that we will use later in the code. So guys, here we will add a notification bar. So click on plus button, scroll up, and select notification. So now we will add a button to control our DC pump. Set the trigger as switch and select the pin D3 for digital output. Guys, we have completed this Blink part. So let's move ahead to upload the code. Guys, I have provided the link in the description from where you can download this INO file. Guys, make sure to include these libraries in the code. I will also leave the link for them. This is the authorized token that was sent by email. You have to paste your code here. So here you have to paste your Wi-Fi name and password. Please make sure to change these two things before uploading the code to NodeMCU. So we will get this notification when the plant has low moisture. So now we will upload the code to NodeMCU development board. So guys, now we will upload the code to the NodeMCU board. So click on Tools, select NodeMCU ESP12E module. Select the right port, I am selecting COM3 and click on upload. The IDE will compile the sketch and will upload the code. Lot of times people do mistakes while uploading the code. They don't select the right board or right port before uploading the code, so they get error. So please make sure to select the right port and board before uploading the code. Guys, making Arduino projects is too pretty simple with us, so please join us at Microelectronics. Guys, I'm telling you again to please make sure to change the SSID, password and authorized token before uploading the code. Now the IDE has successfully uploaded the code to NodeMCU board. So here you can see that NodeMCU is working. It means we have successfully completed the circuit. So first connect the NodeMCU with Blink app. For that we will open our hotspot. Then it will automatically connect with the NodeMCU. When plant is having low moisture, it will send you a message. Hi there, water your plants. It will continuously send you a message until you give water to it. So again I get a message, hi there, water your plants. I am turning off the button because water was flowing in the wrong direction. So when you give water to it, it will send a message that there is no need of water. So this is how you can make a smart plant watering system using BitBlocks.